Hi, in this video, I'm going to go over how to set up a time-based discount in Shopify and apply it to a product. So here, first I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Discount. I'll scroll down to the FC discounts and look for the time-based discount here under Product. Here I'll be created with a simple form. I'm going to go select a automatic discount. Go ahead and call this a seasonal discount. Just to make it a little easier to read, I'm going to use 50% and days before should be 60 days. So we can see that very clearly. I'm going to make sure to combine this with other discounts as well and leave the active dates as is. Click on Save. So once that's added, I can go ahead and just kind of make sure nothing's working right now because I'm going to go ahead and click on Add to Cart. This will add it to the cart, but of course there'll be no discount applied because we haven't configured the metafields yet. So firstly, what I want to do is go into our variant metafield definitions under the settings page. Look at the FC automatic. So basically I would have to set this up, so I would click on Add Definition. So I would click on Add Definition, but I've already done that here. So here I can see the especially expiry date, and then of course add the description there, and then one value set up with the date field. Once that's done, I want to go ahead and define that field here. So I'm going to go ahead and select, so yeah, it's added in the variant side here. So I'm going to select the date within 60 days. So let's say March 31st, and click on Save. And basically now if I adjust or update the cart, you'll see that 50% discount applied right away. And now I'm going to go ahead and move that date outside of the 60 days. So let's do April 30th. Save that. Once that's done, I can make sure to update the cart, and that's removed. So yeah, that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks. Hi, in this video, I'm going to go over how to set up your time-based discount metafields. So firstly, you want to go into the settings in Shopify and scroll down to the custom data section. Here you want to go right into the variant section, and if you don't already have it defined from another app, you want to click on Add Definition here. So usually for the name, it doesn't really matter what you put in, but here I'm going to label this as FC time-based discount date, and then make sure this is basically freshly.expiry date. This has to be the exactly as it's laid out here for the namespace and key, but the name and descriptions don't really matter here. So for the select type, I'm going to go ahead and select a date field and make sure it's one value. And I don't really need any rules around validation, so I think this should be good here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Save. So once you click on Save here, this date should become available to all your products. So if I jump into my products section here, I should be able to go into any of my products here and scroll down to the metafield section, and here I can basically go ahead and select the date. If you have multiple variants for your products, you can basically let's go into the complete snowboard here. You'll have to go into the variant. So here I'm going to click on the variant, and I can see my specific FC time-based discount date here that I can select for that specific variant. Alright, that's it for this one. If you guys have any questions, reach out to our support team. Thanks.